Good morning everyone. This is Richa Singh, a senior student of American Institute, Khalilabad. Today again I would like to welcome to all of you in another session of debate. So today here we are going to debate on most important and hot topic, that is village life versus city life. So for group discussion I would like to introduce my right side Ram Mohan sir, Razia ma'am and Pooja ma'am. They are going to point out about village life. In the opponent, Zohra ma'am, Pooja ma'am and Khadija ma'am, they are going to point out about city life. So shall we get started? So sir, you choose village life. So can you tell me why you like village life?
I like village life because in village life you can see a real naturality. There is peaceful, noiseless and greenery environment without pollution. And we can take peaceful fresh air. And if I talk about villagers, so they are helpful by the nature.
Yes, and also they get up early in the morning, do all the work on time. They are very active. They do their work in any season without thinking.
Yes, they do their work on time. They are very active. So Zohra ma'am, you heard their points. So tell me, what is your point of view?
Yes, I agree with you that in village there is no pollution. People are very helpful. But if you want convenience, you will have convenience.
But I don't agree with your opinion that if you want to earn money, you have to come in city also. We know that the people who live in village, they are very important for our economy because agriculture is the backbone of our country.
But even in the city there are good schools, coaches, road transport, everything is available here. And also if you want to learn something or other activities like dance, swimming, singing, etc. All activities classes are available in city. But in village there is no any classes like these.
Yes, 24-hour electricity and transport are available in city. And also there are so many historical monuments and parks are available in city where you can go with your family and friends and spend good times with them.
In city, environment is polluted with dust, smoke, garbage and dioxide gas from factories, and also the city people have been in the habit of using electronic things. Because of this, they suffer from many diseases.
And also there is no place for children to play, but in village there are so many places to play and they play without any fear.
And there is no risk of any accident. They can freely come and go anywhere.
Recreation and entertainment options are plenty, and people also get adequate opportunities to establish or showcase their talents here. Yes, and also if you want to order something like cloth or food, so in city it is easily available as compared to village.
Okay, you said that in city everything available easily, but you must have hard days because of industries pollution. Acid rain happened in Taj Mahal. Because of that, the whiteness of Taj Mahal was fading.
And other side, city life is too expensive. Everyone cannot afford, but village life is affordable for everyone. There is less expenditure and they respect their culture.
Yes, the village people respect to their culture and the family live together. But in city, the family doesn't live together.
There are very good hospitals in city. If you have to go out and see things, you go to hospital. But there is no hospital in village. And the peace remains under our protection 24 hours a day. And if you talk about roads, city roads are very good, whereas the village roads are deprecated. And if it is dangerous, so people they have to face a lot of problems.
But you see, city people have so many diseases because of taking fast food, like cholesterol, fat body, liver problems, and so many problems. We can say that our environment is polluted by the smoke coming from the industry. Due to this, the people of the city industry is breathing and have to face diseases like asthma and breathing problems.
But even in the village, there is no any drain or place to their garbage. People throw garbage on the way. There is neither a school nor a college, and if there is a school, so people they have to go very far for it. Whereas in the city, you get school and college nearby. Yes, if someone wants to become a doctor, engineer, or anything like that, come to city to study, you get big college like BHU, JNU, Delhi University, and IIT college in city, not in village.
I heard the points of both of you and I would like to say that both have their advantage and disadvantage. In village you have fresh and clean environment, and in city you have good schools, colleges and hospitals. So nice being with you all. We will meet soon in another session in another video. Thank you. तो आइए जुड़िए अमेरिकन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज से, जहां आपको अंग्रेजी बहुत आसान तरीके से सिखाई और बुलवाई जाती है। हमसे जुड़ने के लिए आप आ सकते हैं अमेरिकन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, टीचर्स कॉलोनी, शुगर मिल रोड, खलीलाबाद, या दिए गए नंबर पर कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं 8795745199। थैंक यू।